In this video, I'm going to show you how to style clutch bags in a casual, effortless way. I know clutch bags often have a reputation for being too dressy or reserved for special occasions, but I'm here to change that perception. So if you're ready to elevate your casual style with a chic clutch bag, keep watching. Hello fabulous ladies, and a warm welcome to all the viewers joining us today. I'm thrilled to have you here on my channel where we embrace fashion, style, beauty, lifestyle, and all things fabulous. Well, if you're new, I'm Bridgette, your go-to guide for all things fabulous in your 40s and beyond. I believe that every woman, regardless of their age, size, or budget, has the potential to look stylish and feel fabulous. Fashion is all about expressing your unique personality and embracing your individuality. So if you're just passing by, you have just stumbled upon a stylish corner of the internet. And to my regular viewers, it's always a pleasure to have you back here for another fabulous and stylish journey together. Today's video is inspired by one of my lovely subscribers who mentioned something really interesting on one of my videos. She said, "I'm always afraid of carrying a clutch. It can easily mature a look." That got me thinking and realized that clutches don't always have to be reserved for formal events or dressed up outfits. So I'm going to show you how to style clutch bags in a casual, everyday way that is still chic but doesn't feel too dressed up. Whether you're running errands, meeting friends for coffee, or you just want to add a little bit of flair to your casual outfits, I've got you covered. Let's get started.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
And that's it for today's video. I hope you found some inspiration on how to style clutch bags in a more casual way. Let me know in the comments below which look was your favorite. I would really love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. I'm so close to reaching 1,000 subscribers, and it would really mean a lot to me if we could hit that milestone by the end of August. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button now. Do it, I'm waiting. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay stylish, stay fabulous. Bye.